I didn't do much.
Chopper, chopper, chopper! Where is he?
No!
Wow.
Okay, okay. Fly it, fly it.
Oh! Wow. Oh, you got it, you got it! Yes! No! Oh, yes! Oh, no, it's Chopper shot me!
Oh, God!
Chopper killed me! Oh, my
I'm gonna
God.
get this jet.
That was hilarious.
Okay, guys,
the
I'm gonna
Chopper
fly
killed
jet.
me, what a dick.
No, no, I crashed the helicopter again. God damn it.
Whoa, how do you fly these? Ah! Oh no! What a douche!
Help I. Hey, you should get in this real quick.
No, literally, I was like
This is
morphing
beautiful.
inside. Oh my god, oh my god,
Here,
I'm like
wait!
morphing inside it.
Wait! I'll try... I'm gonna try and tip it over with something else.
Hello?
Okay, I'm gonna get in the tank. I'm gonna get in the tank and I'm just gonna try and flip you back over.
I need repairs.
Uh-oh, I'm out. I didn't seem safe.
Have some ammo, Chopper.
I'm staying in this. I'm not leaving this chopper.
I got you, let's go.
I'll spin.
No, get
I'll
out
spin.
of the freaking
No, I'll spin and then you shoot
helicopter.
me. I'll spin and then shoot me, alright? And see if I can get up.
I'm getting so dizzy.
No, don't put C4 on me. If something shoots me, I'm dead. JD, I can't move now. Oh, oh! All I see is like metal and dust. It's like vehicle
Okay,
76.
no, stop moving.
Wait.
I'm pushing you.
Stop moving the helicopter. Stop. Don't move it.
Alright, I got this. I got this.
Oh, jet!
Just playing off.
Yes! Yes!
Oh,
no, on the other side! We're on the other side! We're on the other side. Alright, yeah.
Dang it! Okay, let's try it again. Let's try it again. Oh god.
No, don't do that. Go. Nah. Go.
Okay, I gotta back up.
My neck hurts so bad.
Why are you...
I'm not trying to move.
Fuck you guys.
No, try. Come on.
No.
Someone else try. Go.
No, I'm
This
done.
is gonna be a
I'm
great
done.
clip.
Oh, you see that heli?
Okay. Holy crap. Wait, put C4 on so he comes up. Put C4 on.
I'm trying to get him with my
C4.
crossbow.
If he comes up. Put C4 on him.
Come on, dude.
Go.
Come on.
No.
I got him with my crossbow.
Oh, you got him! Dude! Yes! Oh my god, that's awesome.